I'm about to get my keys. Prophetic.
Now I'm not sure.
Say she won't come give me loving on FaceTime.
Shorty said she got me feeling her waistline, but she got no clue. One shot me feeling you. Me won't make you feel the rhythm and bassline.
One day I will never be like you. Just go, Ferrari, I will. Just go, Formatic, I will. Just go.
Ice dropping, pill popping, another shot cause the first thing working.
Hey guys, what's good? I have an exam in like 30 minutes, so I need to leave now. Oh yeah, I'm just dressing to go for my exam now. It's lifting. Nobody cares.
I'm rolling, rolling, rolling down Highway 202. I'm feeling kinda badass with my short hair and tattoos. If you wanna
My nails match my sweat. Oh, just see the rope. And I don't have a pen for my exam, so let's go get one now. So I just got my cheated right now. Like I would normally buy this pen. This is my favorite pen. I would normally buy it for 1 kwai, but then this freaking girl sold it to me 3.5. Like I couldn't even believe it. Like I know in your head you're just like it's 3.5 kwai, it's small money, but then when you're broke, the littlest amount pisses you off. Like if you get cheated, even though I had exam, I would have dropped this thing back. How can she say, "Ay"? Bye guys, let's just go to class.
let the breeze flow through you. This drive was made for two. Turn up the music on. Let the sun rain down on you. Let the breeze flow through you. This drive was made for two.
Sometimes I just wanna be alone. Online, I'm dodging subliminals like a movie. You gotta play a part. For me, I just want a different role. Be the one you could call. In the morning, I knock on your door. Let's take a ride to the Caymans on the island and fuck on the floor. This not your average romance. Top off and driving the rain. Been through the pleasure and pain. Since you walked into my life, baby, she was just never the same. You smell of roses, camera striking your poses. I'm zoning. You don't know, I just want you in my little ride. I just want you, baby, you can sit and hold me tight. Blowing clouds of smoke in the back, I'm losing focus. Trying to make you cruise, baby, you can take the wheel. I'm rolling, 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 rolling. I'm smoking, 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 smoking. Let's take a ride, baby. Come with me and we could vibe, baby.
Turn up the music, ooh.
Done. I'm done with just 2. I have 3 more to go. So yeah, 2 down, 3 more to go. Going right now. I haven't eaten today because exam tension. I'll go get something to eat in about an hour. But before then, I just want to go to the mall and just look around, honestly, because I'm bored and I have no friends. Every day I come to the bathroom just to check myself out. No reason specifically. I'm like, what I'm wearing is popping. It's cool. Cool attitude. Okay, China. So cool. Yeah. Let's look at this really cute pillow. It says inspire someone today. No. I got some stuff, but then I got carried away and I wasn't even vlogging yet.
No need to shy, no waste no time. Baby, you're mine, give me your love.
So I'm about to get my keys. Hey guys, good morning. I'm basically going to be moving out of my dorm to my new apartment. I'm so happy. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I've been saying I want to do this. I finally got to do that. I'm so thankful to God for that. Yeah. So guys, this is like 5 hours literally after I made that last vlog, and I'm so late, but then I'm just still going to try. I'm carrying these now. Hi. Here. So guys, you probably noticed that the apartment has like a TV, couch, table, washing machine, all of that. Apartments here in China, or at least most apartments here in China, come like kind of furnished. It comes with a fridge and everything, and then all you need to do is just move in with your stuff basically. But I don't know if all apartments come like this, but then I know that most of the apartments I've been to, like, they come already furnished. So yeah, it comes with bed, fridge, washing machine, TV, tables, all of that. So I don't know if it's like that everywhere, but then I know it's not like that in my country. If you're getting an apartment that's already furnished, it's going to be like times 5 the normal price. So I don't know how it is for you guys, but then here, that's how it is. Just thought I should drop that because I figured I'll probably get questions. So I'm not wearing my wig, please. I can't be packing with my wig on. I just bought these bags. Yeah, they're like really big bags. I got 3. I feel like I'm only going to use 2, but then I just bought them just to pack my stuff in. Hey guys, good morning. Today is like my move out day, and it is currently like 6:15 a.m. I don't even know how I'm awake this early, honestly. But then I'm about to start moving my stuff. 2 of my friends are downstairs waiting for me to help me, so I don't know if I'll be able to be vlogging because I have a lot of stuff. Like, my stuff are a lot. I've literally taken like 3 boxes, but then I have all these left. I'm just going to like show you guys what they look like, but then I have a lot of stuff. I can't do this alone. That's like one of the main reasons I'm leaving the dormitory, because I have a lot of stuff. My stuff are a lot. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I have. I'll be able to like vlog the process of moving because I'll be carrying big bags and everything, but then I'll show you guys the clips I can't. So yeah. Oh, I literally got like big bags just to store my stuff. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and then I've taken 3 boxes already. I still have this. Then this is my blankie, then bag. I haven't removed my sheets and everything. I'm just going to pack this stuff too. And then I have that big bag too. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff, guys. And then I have my backdrops there. So yeah. Sure, you guys are wondering why I have so many stuff. Okay, one is I get a lot of PR stuff. If you don't know what PR is like free stuff that like bloggers or all of that get. So they all come in boxes, and I'm a hoarder, so I don't throw my boxes. I don't know why. And then I have a couple of shoes, and then they all come in boxes also. And then my kitchen stuff, all those boxes, like all these boxes you normally get with stuff. I don't know why I don't just throw mine away, because I feel like I'll need it whenever I'm packing. But then best believe when I moved here, I threw all those boxes away. So yeah, I just thought I should drop that here in case you guys are wondering why I have so many stuff. So yeah, this is the car. I'm so exhausted.
God, you're making me sit inside here.
Okay, good. See this one. Man, this thing is stressful. Person helping. I see my helper. He's helping me pack.
Say God.
See my school card, guys.
Sir, I don't forgive you for making me this boy.
I mean, don't be that I was packing this.
Take it to the side, that we can keep it rolling. Nobody fi kill your shine, say they keep it glowing. Say we take a time, say they keep it glowing.
So guys, I'm finally here. I'm so tired. I'm still not done packing. Like, they're bringing some more stuff, so I'm just waiting for them to come. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys like the process of me unpacking, setting up, and you know that.
Give it to you roll. Make you feel the movement. You know I got the move, baby. Love when I use it slowly, slowly, baby.
Take it to the side, that we can keep it rolling. Nobody fi kill your shine, say they keep it glowing. Baby, take your time, say they kill me slowly. You they kill me slowly. You they kill me slowly. You they kill me slowly.
Baby girl, love it when you give it to me night and day. Love it when you make me feel great. Great. When with you I get motivation. Everything just a sign attention. No need to mention.
So guys, I'm almost done. Like, I just put my shoes, did the kitchen, sitting room. Mess. Yeah, I know. My life is a mess, honestly. I did the bathroom too. I kind of washed it. That's why the floor is wet. It's just a mess. I'll sort that out later on here too. Sort it out later on. So yeah. What's this? What's all this? After a long day, I came to eat at this Muslim restaurant. My food looks so juicy, like I can't wait to dig in. I'll show you guys that food. It's cold, but I love it so much. It's rice and just vegetables and potatoes.
Interpret
That one up there. So I'm eating, I don't know, local people's food, I don't know. Hey guys, so I'm going to the park now.
I know shit.